Good morning, students. Today is our GK time, and we are going to start chapter 13, 14, 15, and 16. Chapter 13 is National Sports. A national sport is considered to be an essential part of the culture of the nation. And here some national games are given, and you have to identify the name of the sports of the particular country. And what is the national game of Japan? The national game of Japan is sumo wrestling. It is. And the national game of Spain is the national game of Spain is bullfighting. Here it is. And the national game of Bangladesh is kabaddi. And the national game of Malaysia's national game is sepak takraw. And the national game of Sri Lanka is volleyball. The national game of China is table tennis, and the national game of USA is baseball. And the archery is the national game of Bhutan. Here it is. And the national game of Australia is cricket. And Bondi is the national game of Russia. It is also called the Russian hockey. So chapter 14, musician and instrument. Here names are given. You have to match the name of instrument with the name of musician. So late Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan play Shehnai. This is the Shehnai. Bismillah Khan play the Shehnai. Ustad Amjad Ali Khan play Sarod. Ustad Zakir Hussain use the instrument tabla to play. And the Hari Prasad Chaurasia, Pandit Hari Prasad Chaurasia use the instrument flute. Pandit Ravi Shankar play the sitar. And Pandit Shiv Kumar play santoor. So these were some musician and their instrument. Chapter 15. Chapter 15. Read the clues. Name the games. Chapter 15 is name the games. So here read the clues, see the pictures, and then write the names of the sports. You can take help from the help box. So booting, catcher, and pitcher plate are the terms associated with this popular American sport. There are 9 players in each team who attempt to score pointing by hitting a ball with the bat and running from one base to the next until they reach the home plate. So it is called the baseball. It is the game baseball. Second one is parallel bars, trampoline, pommel horse, and balancing beam are some equipments used in this varied sport where one can score a perfect 10. It is the gymnastic. See, this sport is played by 2 teams. The players in each team earn point by throwing a large ball into a hoop placed high above the ground. It is the basketball. The game contains 6 players in each team who try to ground a ball into the opposing zone over the net by hitting it with their hands. It is the volleyball. It is the volleyball. So, in this sport, different colors are used by the players to hit a small dimpled ball into a series of holes using a few strokes as possible. It is the golf. This water sports has strokes such as freestyle, butterfly, backstroke and breaststroke. It is the swimming. Chapter 16 is trophies and cups. So, DMC trophy. DMC trophy. Which is the DMC trophy? This is the DMC trophy. C is DMC trophy. Second is Wall-Baker trophy. Second is Wall-Baker trophy. D. D is Wall-Baker trophy. Sharjah trophy. E. E is Sharjah trophy. It is given for the cricket. And Winchester Cup. Where is the Winchester Cup? Here it is the Winchester Cup. H. H is Winchester Cup. And fifth one, Thomas Cup. Here is the Thomas Cup. It is given for the lawn tennis. And Wellington Cup. Wellington Cup is given for the hockey. It is the Wellington Cup. D. Khaitan Trophy. Khaitan Trophy is given for the chess. F. And Basalat Jha Trophy is given for the B. It is B. Basalat Jha Trophy. It is given for the volleyball. And so DMC trophy is given for the football. And Wall-Baker trophy is given for the wrestling, boxing. So these were your chapters. Chapter 13, 14, 15 and 16. So you will complete these chapters in your note and learn. Thank you, students.